boy. I'm gonna get no work today. Oh, shit. Speak of the devil. Gully Creeper Cheetah hotline.
Hello?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
My girl is giving me money, yo.
Boy, that don't sound too good.
You already know. I gave her my name on my lung, yo. She tore the heart out and she ate it raw, yo.
Then we meet up in my office and we can have a face-to-face conversation so we can find this hoe. I mean, find this cheetah.
Yeah, you can go ahead and call her home. I understand, you know.
Just meet me in my office. You have my address, right?
Yeah, I got her address. I got everything you want on her. I have a GPS on her too, yo.
That's some disturbing images. And let's see. Yeah, this is what we found. Are you ready?
Yeah. I think I'm good.
You good? Let's just watch the clip. Ready? Okay.
Is who that over there? Who that?
That's your girl.
Shut your bumbo. What is punk?
No, man.
I punk this.
Even though
No, seriously, don't lie to me.
No, seriously. Yeah.
Ashan Kucha, come out. Where you there?
You want to see the next image? Yeah.
Who that?
Does look like? Yeah. Yeah.
No, she not having that.
I think her head was below the steering wheel.
Bomba! Yo, you pay the actor.
No, man.
I some set up this, Ashan Kucha, She never give me a head before.
For real?
She never give me a head. I've been there with her for 30 years when I was born and grew with her. She never give me a head before.
Oh, no.
Oh, God.
Pretty seen her. Yeah, she that. The key I go down. Yeah.
She never did that before.
Next.
I know she that.
Shit. Watch what she use next. You ready? Watch. Lip gloss.
Where
Going down.
bomba clad? Hombre.
Yeah.
Hombre.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
So another way me top up your pussy clad.
Tough break. Tough break. Tough break. Hold on. Hello? Oh yeah? You got them right now? Yeah.
I never did that.
You know where your location is at right now?
I never did nothing wrong. I did
yo.
everything I could.
Yeah. I'm with him right now.
I tried.
Oi. Easy.
I want number one.
Alright, let's go. Alright, yo, fine. Let's go.
What is this, man?
What's that one?
You swing something together, dog. No, you're bad, man. Clean.
I'm a search thing.
Oh my God. What you have to say? What you have to say? Yo, what you have to say? He can't give me bun for. He? Hey, you can't talk.
What you giving me bun for? What you giving the bun for?
What you give me bun for? What do you? Look at me like this. You take man for joke.
Yeah, man. Yo,
What already? Yo.
she don't know what it is. She don't know what it is.
So explain yourself. What do you have, Nike?
It was a penny on the floor.
Yeah, it was a penny still, no? Yeah, man.
A very shiny penny.
Shut up. Very shiny, man. I saw you like it shiny. Too many things dirty up, Team of cheese and bread that game, man.
Explain the car seat. Explain what you give.
It was just a penny. You know what? It was his fault.
That bumbo one.